Someone just wrote a question on the chat window. It says, Shalom Aleichem, Kavod Rav. Thank you so much for this Shiur. Question: if someone owns a volatile asset that is making dividends on as part of his parnasa, is he obligated to sell off some of the asset every time it appreciates to pay Maaser, or only 10% from the actual dividends earned, until he completely sells off the asset entirely?
So initially, two separate situations in general. So let's say he invested, I don't know, like $20,000. Let's say, right? So this $20,000. So we assume that he paid Maaser from this $20,000. So that's it. So even this $20,000 they appreciated, and now it's $35,000. But this $35,000, it's only on the paper. So and until he realized the gain, meaning that when he sells it, so it's nothing. You understand? So it's absolutely nothing. So when he's going to sell dividends, that's a live money. So they pay him $200 dividends, let's say. Yes, so this is live money. Yes, from these $200, he has to pay Maaser, but not from the entire amount until he sells it. When he sells it, he realizes the gain. But again, we're going to see there is some. It's not simple calculation. I have to also calculate the inflation rate. So, for example, if it was an investment for 20 years, whatever was it, we also take into consideration inflation rate, of course, because but otherwise only from gain. Okay, but if somebody wants to do a fresh start, so that's the first situation. It's like clear, right? But somebody wants to do a fresh start, so it's actually advisable to give 10% from everything that person has, right? So sometimes it's not possible because person does not have so much cash. It's possible, right? So like put in a new project, right, to give extra every time. So like calculate at this point. So and it's and consider is a debt. So there is a debt to the tzedakah. Okay, also possible. So 10%, then your money is clean, wherever you have clean, and you continue with just giving 10% only, or more if you want. What else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.